For my final Java project, I will have Corel the dog perform various functions. One of the functions will be for Corel to put the ball down 5 times, and I've created a loop script here where he will put down the ball 5 times. Here he is going to move once, or I could have him move twice. I could change this number any way I would like. And then I set up different functions of run to the hurdle and jump to the hurdle. So I'm going to run this Java program and we'll follow along where Corel is going to end up. So now he's going to put the balls down, and he's going to put it down 5 times. Then he's going to move twice. Then he's going to put the ball down 5 times as well. Then he's going to move again, and here he's going to put the ball down 3 times because I changed it. And now he's going to move here again and put the ball down 5 times. Then he's going to turn right and he's going to move. He's going to turn right, move again, then turn left. We're going to follow this along. It's going to go all the way to the bottom right-hand corner. Turn around, move again, jump a hurdle using the function, and then jump the hurdle again. And he's going to turn right and end up on the side of the diagram. Thank you.